Welcome to J.K. Knowledge. Friends, today we will discuss December 2019 IGNOU Term and Examination question paper, that is CHE 5 Organic Chemistry. Let's try to solve these questions. Friends, this is question number 1. Give the equation of any one of the following. There are two questions are given. You attend any one of these. Let's try to answer these questions. Friends, first we will select the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Then you numbering this. Let's start to numbering. This is 1, 2. We numbering in this side because of double bond. Friends, this methyl group is present in 4 position. So we write 4 methyl. 2 double bond is present. So we write diene and 1, 2, 5 carbon atom. So we write pent 1, 3 diene. We write in another way, that is 4 methyl 1, 3 pentadiene. Friends, in these questions, first we select the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Then we numbering in this side because we just simply follow the lowest locant rule. Friends, in second position, chlorine is present. So write 2 chloro. 3 and 4 position, 2 methyl group is present. So write 3, 4 dimethyl, 4 carbon atom, 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom is present. So write pentane. The resultant name is 2 chloro 3, 4 dimethyl pentane. Friends, in this lecture we did not discuss the detailed explanation. If you want to the detailed explanation, you comment in the comment sections. Let's start to the second question. Write the structure of any one of the following. It is 2-ethanol pyrroles. Friends, pyrrole is the heterocyclic compound containing nitrous group. This is 5-member heterocyclic compound. That is in second position, numbering in this like this. In second position, ethyl group is present. So we just join ethyl group. C double bond O CH3. This is the structure of 2-ethanol pyrrole. Then go to the second. This is 3-nitrothiophenene. Friends, we know thiophenene is a heterocyclic compound. The 5-member ring heterocyclic compound containing sulfur group. Let's try to draw these structures. Numbering like this. In third position, nitro group is present. So just the nitro group in this position. Write in another way, that is and we write like this. This is the structure of 3-nitrothiophenol. Go to the next questions. This question number C. Which one of the following compound has a higher boiling point? The structure of orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, that is friends, we know this is ortho position. For hydroxy group we use OH. We just expand these structures, we find like this. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present. But in case of para-hydroxybenzaldehyde, the structure of para-hydroxybenzaldehyde, that is this is para position. We simply use OH group for a hydroxy. We expand these structures. In case of para-hydroxybenzaldehyde, friends, you clearly see the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present. This hydrogen bonding is more stronger as compared to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So, the para-hydroxybenzaldehyde has a higher boiling point as compared to this ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So, we will write para-hydroxybenzaldehyde has a higher boiling point. Let's go to the next questions. Which one of the following compound will have zero dipole moment? Friends, we know dipole moment mu is equal to Q into R, charge in distance, and we already know this mu is a vector quantity. Friends, in these structures you clearly see this bromine, two same atoms is present in the same side of this carbon-carbon double bond. But in this structure you clearly see these two same groups are present in the opposite side of this carbon-carbon double bond. So, cancel each other and show zero dipole moment. So friends, we clearly see this molecule show some amount of dipole moment, but in this structure this molecule show zero dipole moment. Question number E. Why is glycerol miscible with water? Friends, we know the structure of glycerol, that is friends, you clearly see in this structure 5 hydrogen group is present and 3 hydroxy group is present. So, we say the glycerol is miscible with water because of hydrogen bonding. And friends, you see there are 3 hydroxy group is present. In this case, For glycerol, 3 hydroxy groups are react with many organic compounds to form ester. So another reason is because of hydroxy group present. Glycerol contains 3 hydroxy groups. Presence of hydroxy group. Friends, if you like this lecture, please share with your friends and subscribe. Press the bell icon. Thank you so much.